Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a kombucha toner for your face. So I have a little spray bottle that I use for my face, for my purse, traveling, things like that. I have one for the car. This is to brighten your skin. This is to make things look, firmer. And it's not like science, right? Because everybody's skin is different. Some people have oilier skin, some people have acne. There's all, so you have to kind of customize this to your own needs and know your skin, right? Now, if you have dry skin, you're going to use less kombucha. If you have oily skin, you can use more kombucha. If you want, a brighter glow to you, you'll probably use more oil. So just play with this a little bit until you get the right consistency down, but I'm going to be giving you the base, right? There's no toxins in here, and there's no preservatives in here. So you kind of have to watch and smell it and make sure that this will last me about 2 weeks, and then I'll refresh this. So here we go. This one's already full. This is the one from my purse. I'll be making a larger one today. So I'm gonna take my kombucha and I'm gonna fill it about 1/4 of the way, okay? All right, now the next step is I wanna cut this in half, right? I don't wanna use it full. But you can use rose water if you like rose water. I use my chaga tea, my chaga water that I drink every day. Ooh, I should have brought a little funnel. That's okay. This works. All right, so the rest of the way is cut with the water. Like I said, I'm using chaga. You can use rose water. You can use whatever you want. Now, be careful what kind of oil you put in here, because the sprayer will get clogged with this if you're using a real thick oil. So I love castor oil and I'd love to use it in here, but every time I use the castor oil in here, it clogs. So I am using jojoba oil, and I just kind of look in there and put some of that in there. My husband's using the snowblower like right next to me. Thanks, honey. And then we're gonna, I don't know if you can hear me, and then we're gonna be using just the essential rose oil. Okay, you can use lavender, whatever. And I just use a couple of drops. We got a boatload of snow. So, and it's March. Good times in Minnesota, eh? So just give it a shake. Now you can use lavender, you could use chamomile, you could use whatever the kind of essential oil that you want. And it feels just absolutely lovely. So you can put that on your face. If you have real staticky hair, you can put that, and like right now it's really dry, right, outside. So you can put that on so there we go. If you, like I said, if you need to do half of this, and that would be more for people that have acne, but I would use about 1/4, right? So about 1/4 of your bottle. So of course you're gonna use less in here, right? You're gonna use about 1/4 of it, fill it up with water, a little dab of oil, a couple drops of essential oil, shake it up, and there you have your toner. And it's all organic.
Jillzilla.